Welcome to MOOC Proficiency Course in Spanish Level 2. You must be aware that Spanish is one of the most spoken languages in the world. Apart from Spain, the entire Central and South American countries speak Spanish. According to Instituto Cervantes, the Spanish Government Language and Culture Center, Spanish is spoken by 577 million people in the world, and 22 millions are studying Spanish across the world in around 107 countries. In this era of globalization, India shares a lot of bilateral relations with several Latin American countries, and many countries from these companies have opened up in India, and India has several multinational companies which have Latin American clients. With the government's initiative of Digital India and Skill India, along with your qualifications, if you acquire Spanish language skills, you have better employment opportunities. At the end of the course, there will be a final evaluation in the form of a test. Now that you know how useful is learning Spanish and you know the details of the organization and structure of the course, we hope you will work hard and soon be proficient enough for basic communication. It will increase your analytical and problem solving skills and improve your confidence. All the best to all of us. Have a great experience. Thank you.